Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to send USDT from Bybit wallet. Alright, so you're looking to send out USDT tokens from your Bybit wallet. How can you go about this? Head to the assets menu at the bottom of the screen. Scroll from your account section to your assets menu so you can take a look at how much USDT you hold. Once you've taken a look at how much USDT you hold, scroll up and click on the withdraw option. Once you've selected the withdraw option, simply use the search icon to search for USDT and click on Tether USDT. Once you selected the Tether USDT, you're then met with the on-chain transactions, which involves adding an address, a network, and an amount. All right, so in order to send, you're going to have to find some of the cheapest networks to send on, which are the Arbitrum 1, TRC20, and the BEP20. Arbitrum 1 just requires a minimum withdrawal of 1 USDT and a withdrawal fee of 1. So this is good. Then all you need to do is find an address and an amount that matches this. All right, so to do this, minimize and then open up a wallet. It could be your Trust wallet, it could be your MetaMask wallet, it could be your MetaMask wallet, your Telegram wallet, any wallet that accepts the Arbitrum 1 token as well as its network is what you're going to use. So click on the Trust wallet, use the search icon to search for USDT, and then select the USDT on the Arbitrum network. You can locate this by scrolling till you find the USDT on Arbitrum. This is it. It says here Arbitrum. So click on this, click on receive, copy your address, paste the address back at Bybit, and then enter an amount. So let's say you had up to 5 USD. You're now going to be paying a withdrawal fee of 1 USDT, and then all you need to do is click on withdraw, and your tokens will be sent over to your Trust wallet. Now, on Trust wallet, you do need to note that in order to send this token back to your Bybit or any other wallet or exchange, you're going to need to hold some Arbitrum tokens, which you could easily buy when you use the search icon to simply search for Arbitrum. Click on Arbitrum. This is mainnet Arbitrum. All you just need a small amount to cover your gas fees. If you do not, use the buy icon to simply purchase some Arbitrum. So guys, comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.